Alright, YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to mount this. Okay, so be sure to kind of open the size real quick, give you some measurement. You can mount it over here or over here, depending on which cup holder you want. So let's go ahead and mount this one first, and just turn it clockwise to make it tighter. Okay. And then I'm going to mount this iPhone XS Max on here. Okay, and this is allow you to rotate. So this is flexible. You can do whatever you want. Tilt it different angle. Adjust it higher, however you want. Tilt it up, tilt it down. Okay. To make it tighter. So this one, when you shake, it's not gonna fall or slip off. Okay. So let's go and then mount it on the bigger cup holder. So we're gonna rotate counterclockwise to make it loose, and we put it to the bigger one. Let me put the camera down. So if you want, you could tell the different angle. Tell this way first before you open it wider. Okay, that's good. So there you go. (360°). So if you're doing your map, you could just rotate like that. So it's easy to look at it landscape. Anyway, this is just a quick tutorial. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.